Miss Sarika, you are appearing for which interview and in which place?
Sir, I'm attending for this SBI SEO, Specialist Cadre Officer IT. My interview is on 24th,
Mhm.
Friday.
Is this your first or second mock with me?
This is my second mock. Uh,
Yeah. Miss Sarika, please tell us about yourself.
Good morning. I am Sharika. I did my bachelor's in computer science from college from Sri Ayappa College, and I graduated with first rank from University of Kerala. Then I did my master's in computer applications from College of Engineering Trivandrum. Then I briefly went for an internship for in two organizations. One was in IC where I was a NLP intern, and then I did my internship in Tata Elxsi for 6 months as a software developer engineer intern under transportation and business unit. Then currently I work as a Python LLM developer at Turing. So throughout my academic career, I have been part of several organizations, and one of it was GTech Newland. And apart from that, I've been working as a freelancer for 4 years now. Then I have
No, no, 1 minute.
conducted.
Yesterday
Yes,
also you committed the same mistake.
yes,
I am a member of several organizations. I told you specifically not to tell that, but tell
okay.
the specific names of organizations. You
Okay.
several organizations, were you member of 255 organizations?
No, sir. A
Then
couple.
why are you telling like that? Be specific.
Okay. So I've been a part of GTech Mulan, where I
Ah,
was the Kerala machine learning lead.
see how nice
So
it is. How nice it is. This is
yes, sir.
good. Best
Okay.
wishes. Now we will
Thank
go for the next question. What is the
you.
role you are now playing in your present company? Is it technical or non-technical?
Sir, it is a technical role. So I work for a company named Turing, and we basically Turing hires us for their clients, and our client is Google. So what we do is that we do the RLHF, that is reinforcement learning through human feedback of Google's Gemini.
Which knowledge are you using in working now? Which computer knowledge? Which
So,
language? Which
okay.
software do you use?
Now, I currently work as a Python LLM developer. It is a machine learning and artificial intelligence job.
What is
So
Python?
I
What is
Python.
Python?
So Python is a programming language, and it is a very booming programming language these days. So what I do is that Google Gemini generates Python code based on a request. That is, if a user prompts it to generate a code or asks it to generate a code in Python, it will generate it to do the particular
What is
task
the
the user
difference
is asking.
between Python and Java?
So both Python and Java are high-level languages. But the main difference is basically that so Python is basically having a easier or simpler and concise syntax compared to Java,
What are
which
the
has a more
what are the
verbose.
recent improvements in languages in computer? Which new languages have come and are being used in the Western countries?
Uh, so um, so one of the booming language is actually Python. So Python is quite recent, but also it is a little old. And Python is currently the highest used language due to the increase in AI and machine learning, all those aspects. Then there is Rust, which is actually like kind of replacing C, C++. And then we have R, then Ruby and all those languages.
I am seeing some more. One is TypeScript, Julia,
Yes, yes,
then Crystal, Elixir,
yes.
then Dart, Go, Clojure, Clojure, then Rust, Kotlin,
Yes.
then Swift. So I suggest you go through the names, not only that, one or two lines about those languages, because I wish they don't ask you. But in case they ask you, what do you know about Clojure? इसमें दिया है a new programming language. Then Go,
Uh,
that is
Okay.
also new program. Please get to know that.
So, Clojure is actually it is kind of a dialect of Lisp programming language that is kind of running
What is
in Java
Julia?
virtual.
What is
So,
Julia?
Julia is again a new and like it is a language that is gaining a lot of popularity these days because it is a high level, high performance programming language that is mainly focusing on numerical computing and data science.
Yeah.
So
No, no, no.
it is actually
Scientific and numerical computing. This
yes.
word you must use at the beginning of the sentence.
Okay.
What is Julia? If I ask, it is a high level programming language that
Yes.
is used for scientific and numerical. It, ऐसा बोलने से it comes out very well. Understand?
Okay. Okay.
Very good. You will be selected, no problem. Please tell me what is the role of IT in banking?
So so we can see that most of the IT sector or and especially banks are moving into a kind of a digitization age. So IT is very important to banks, mainly for customer interactions, then banking schemes, especially when it comes to internet banking, net banking, and all these things. And IT is very important when it comes to things like cyber security,
Are you going to
network storage,
are
and
you
all
going
this.
to tell about your selection in another bank? Yes or no?
Uh, I'm not sure about that. If they ask something about bank,
No,
like,
why don't you be ready now? Okay. See, because the interview is going to come. So you must
yes,
be in a position to decide yes or
okay,
no. What is it your stand? Decide that and go.
okay, okay,
Okay. Now
okay.
please
So, what
talk to
is your
me.
suggestion, sir?
My suggestion is better to tell.
Okay,
The reason is when you tell that you have been selected, it gives an indication that you are a preferred person in the job market.
okay,
So you may be rated high.
okay.
Not what, but another angle for this is this girl has already been selected. Why she should come here? That is
Yes,
another angle. So I don't
yes,
know, Bhagwan, what he is telling you, Aisa Kardo.
okay,
I have no, there is no definite answer for this. It
okay,
depends on the positive impression you create in the mind of the interviewers.
okay,
You check up, are they happy with your answering? You can see from their eyes, from their reactions. If they are happy, you tell you have been selected. Otherwise, you don't say. But this one comes in the introduction itself.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe you can add it subsequently when some other question is coming and is related. Then you can tell about it. Okay,
Okay.
good. Now you have already studied about all the things, um, in the online training itself.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the core banking solution your bank is using? हेलो क्या हुआ
Yes, yes, sir.
क्यों
Core bank.
आंसर नहीं करते
Used by Federal Bank.
या इज इट नॉट फिनाकल
Uh, yeah, yes, yes, sir.
have they
Finacle,
not
Finacle.
have they not given any indication about it इतना मटेरियल भेज रहे उसका अंदर
Uh,
में जरूर बोला होगा they must have told you
yes,
no
sir. Finacle.
they have given or not
Uh, uh, yes,
maybe
sir. It was in the first video. Now I
oh
remember.
you have
It was
forgotten
like, yes,
yeah
it
yeah
was just only like they just mentioned it. I haven't
why
gone
are
deep.
you getting fear the moment I ask some tough question you start
Okay.
getting fear. Now you were thinking about that to tell or not to tell. So you were confusing yourself.
Yes, sir.
No confusion. See, when you get out of your house, you must decide either to go in a straight line or right line or left line. Only there are three lines. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
What is your name?
Sharika.
Sarika's favorite god. Which is favorite god?
Krishna.
Oh, Krishna. For Krishna, which places are very famous? Worship places in India.
Um,
Are you a
Krishna.
Christian? Are you a
No,
Christian?
no, I am Hindu.
Tell me.
Uh, Worship places.
Why are you struggling? I will give you -1
So,
mark for this
okay.
because it is Guruvayur
Yes, yes, sir. Guru. Yes. So we
and
call him
other.
Guru Ayurappan. So,
I know other places like
so one is Vrindavan, Uttar Pradesh,
Mathura. Mathura. That's
Madura,
what I have
Madurai.
in mind. That's what I have in mind. Patanai. Maybe
Yes.
some other. Very good. You are answering very very well. Last question for you.
Okay, sir.
What type of cyber security challenges are there in the banking sector?
So main cybersecurity issues that is faced by banks include ransomwares, phishing, worm sites, then there is attacks from
Now you can mention about DDoS or something, something.
yes, DDoS, yes,
All
and
those.
then
Very,
data breaches.
very good. What is your daddy?
My father is a teacher.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you. I wish you success.
Thank you, sir.
Nothing more than I can